Sperm? Are you kidding? What am I doing making YouTube videos? No! You're about to learn some very strange and weird ways to make money online, and we're starting right now. Dan Brock here from deadbeat.com, and we're getting crazy strange in this video. But before we do, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button because it may save the lives of many chickens. Previous joke. So let's start off with a bang here. Number one is poop. In 2015, CNN wrote about an MIT research assistant who made $1,000 a month selling his poop. So, step number one. Too much info. Then head over to openbiome.org and fill out one of their applicant forms here, and you can become a stool donor and pull in about $250 a month on the internet. When you do the world a great service here. So what they do is they take your poop, stick it up someone else's poop, and that makes biologies happen, and it saves the world. And let's get classy here, folks. Number two, that is to be a digital jury assistant here. So what's going to happen is you attend these mock trials. Lawyers will pretend to do their cases in front of you. In return, you get paid $10 to $15 for the length of the case. And number three, that is to sell your own hair. Yes, we have a theme here tonight, folks. Body parts, monetization of the body parts. All right, so running through the hair calculator here, we are good. Bam. $191. Are you kidding? $191 a month? That combined with the poop, that's a full-time job. You know what? I quit. And going on number four, that is to sell back your old printer cartridges. I mean, does anyone even use printers anymore? That's almost like VHS tapes back in the 90s. So you can get $23 each for each toner cartridge. Not bad if you're printing a bunch of whatever it is that you guys print a month. That's about $23 a month. Add that to the hair, the poop. We now have a retirement fund. All right, next one is junk. Turn your junk mail into rewards. This site is sbkcenter.com. And what they do is they take your junk email and analyze it for some marketing data. So simply to start this, sign up, log into your email account, go from primary to promotion, select all of your spam emails that you got from all the things that you signed up for in the past. And then from there, head on over back to the site and send them your junk mail. Method number six is to sell Apple boxes on the internet. Yes, those beautiful babies. You just go to ebay.com, list your Apple box, and sell it. So look at this. These are all completed things. $30, $20, $60 for these Apple Mac boxes. Now, I don't want to know what they're doing with them. It doesn't matter to me. As long as I get my money, I'm not asking questions. And weird thing number six, taxidermy mouse heads. Now, let me a little tip of advice for you guys out there. The ladies love it. The taxidermy mouse heads mixed with this is a guaranteed recipe for success. Or they just might think you're a serial killer, which is probably true. Weird way to make money number seven is the Jesus videos. The old Poods did one video on this a while back. So just think of some creative ways you can come up with some alternative to this. This guy's crushing it with Jesus videos. So you could do perhaps Bob Marley videos, Kim Jong-un videos, Abe Lincoln videos, George Washington videos, and oh my God, what am I saying? I don't even know anymore. And method, monetization number method, wedding speech. This is for all of you uncertain fellas out there that don't know what to say. You can have someone on Fiverr profess your love to your new bride who you attracted with your mouse taxidermy head. So with this, you can write people's wedding speeches. This is actually a very big niche. Wedding speeches, groom speeches, father of the bride speeches. All of these are actually have a very high ticket things. So people come in and they're not really prepared. So they're like, let's just get someone else to do it. So if you're a skilled writer, or at least mildly good, there you go. Next way to make money on Fiverr doing weird stuff are these creepy portraits. Oh yes, give it to me. This is great. All right, now we're talking, guys. Branding specialists right here. Put one of these up as your Facebook photo, and you're going to attract the clients. They're going to want to give money to you when you look something like this. And the next one, rent a friend. Okay, check this out. You can actually get paid $50 per hour to be someone's friend, but I dug deeper and found out that this is probably just an escort website. And then you can see you have this lonely gentleman, Jack. He's 70 years old. And what do you know? Maria, 19. What's going on here? Maybe this is legitimate, maybe not, I don't know. But it's $50 an hour to text and do all that fun stuff over the internets. And number five is to selling your used panties online. You could do this. I mean, there's some freaks out there. I'm not really a panty guy, but I know there's lots of them. So there you go. There's an option for you. You could bid the big bucks, put them up on bids on eBay, and you're ready to roll. And last but not least, you can be someone's personal therapist. Let's look at him. He's got the suit on. It's good. He's legit. We can hire this guy. He's got kids around him. He's good. 1,000 patients. There we go. Virtual therapist. All right, Dan Brock from deadbeat.com over and out. Hit that subscribe and like button. See you later.